Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple login program. All you need is Visual Studio. First off, you need to go to File, New and Project. On Windows Form Application, you can call it whatever. I'm going to call it Login Screen. Okay, when you are in, you go and make it not that big because it's just the login screen we're going to make, and then the main program. When you go in text here, you can edit the top name here, and if you scroll a bit down you can edit your icon, which is this one. What you're going to need is one button, and you need label, which is here. You need two of those, and then you need the text box, two of those. On label 1, click it and edit the text to be user name. Drag it a bit down and edit label 2 to be password, just like that. Click on the text box and scroll down till you see design, and there you want to name it text user name, and on the password box you want to do the same but name it password, just like that. And when on the button you can take the text to submit, just like that, and you don't need to edit the design. When you have this, you need to make, now it's time to go to project and add new Windows form. We want to name this something you can remember. Mine will be form main. This will be the main, like where this D redirects to this one. So I'm going to make a button here that says logout, just like that. And let's go back to the login screen. Double click the submit button and it will redirect you to here. I will leave, if you don't want to write what I'm going to write now, I'm going to leave it in the description so you can just copy paste it. I would recommend you to write it. What you want to write is if and text username dot text, just like that. Then to equal, just like this, and spaces, and this text, and now we want the password dot text equal, just like this, so that when you don't write anything there, it will say this, what we're going to say here, message box dot show, and we want it to be just we want it to be please enter username and password, and we want it to don't do anything, so we want it to return to like the top. So, and under here, but we also want it to try something else, and that something else is this, what we're going to write, and we're going to start that with, oh, that's too far back, if, And the same on the top, like text user name dot text. We want to be. Now we enter our username and password that is correct. So if it is, in my case, 4124 and the password text password text with the password, let's just say 4124, that is correct. Then we would like, this is like there under if. Then we would like it to show a message box that says login successful. It's just like that. And we want this on the end. And we want this to hide because we don't want this to show up. And we want it to redirect to main. Just like that. Or this is whatever you choose. Like this is the, in my case, it's this one. So you want this to be what your, what you chose it to be. And we want it to show. To end. Just like that. And if this is not correct, we want it to be, come on, there. Else we want it to be, say, message show login failed. Just like that. And it will probably just want, probably want a catch exception. Just like that. And we want, I don't have these on my keyboard. We want another message box, but not a message in it, just the code for it. That x dot, yes, x dot message, there we go. And we want it to end right here. We want everything to end. Okay. After some just coding here, I forgot some of these and some of those. So it should be fine now. Let's start and check. Here it is, the login screen. Let's put in that. Okay, so, okay, I didn't do that. No, I'm going to show how this can be entered securely. Submit, login successful, okay. And here's the main. So it worked. And log out, we haven't fixed that yet. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to show the how I can make this secure. Okay, so click on this one. You scroll down till you see the, where is it? There, passive character. It's under behavior, and you put whatever you want the character to be when it's typed in there. So everything you type in here becomes this one. Okay, now let's go in here and the log out button. Just double click it. Here it is. Because this is a different form than these are two different forms. They have two different code sets. Okay, so the logout button is like this. Yeah, really simple. It is, all you have to do is this, the hide this, and redirect it to your form. So for me, it is form one dot. No, it's not dot anything. It's fl and then equals new, and then the form one, and just like that, and fl dot show, just like this. So this is the code for it to redirect without any message. You can have a message box over it. Then you have with, or when you click it, it will just show the message. Oh, I forgot box. Just gonna do it. Dot show new. No, the code is like this. So all you have to do is like logging out, for example. I'm going to show the difference. Anyway, start. I'm going to show that now. First of all, let's type in my name or username, and now you will see it is secure. You cannot see this screen. Now without this, oh, now without this, it will be just logging out. Okay, so I started it. Let's click log out. Just automatically logs out, just like that. So you can just do this if on here, if you don't want it to say login or login failed. That's pretty much it. You can add different stuff here. You can add checkboxes. You can edit your pointer to be something else. You can really it took some time. Oh, it took some time to make, but I made. I finished the kind of program. Kind of finished it. So I called it Project FV, and successful project. This is too big. I know. Music, Steam, and YouTube. This just open Steam. This goes open Spotify, and this goes to YouTube. So redirecting to YouTube. Project FV YouTube, and here it is on YouTube. Just like that. In the application itself, like this, and I have a return button here. I think it actually can play a video. I'm not going to play any videos, but returning, and it returned to this. Logout button works, and it logs out here. That's how a finished program can look like. I almost forgot. To make this a .exe, you need to go to build and configuration manager. When you're here, where it says debug, go to release, click on close and click on build and build solution. Copy everything but not the login screen. Go to your documents, go to C drive, go here, and it should be right here. You don't need any of these, and delete these. Will not say anything. Login screen will still be here. I can double click it, it will be here, and everything works. Please enter password. Login failed. Login successful. YouTube. Everything works. And I almost forgot to make this to a .exe folder or a folder